Hello guys, how are you doing? And how was the market this week? Today we are going to be doing something beautiful. It's still a back testing, but I'll be showing you guys how I usually take most of my trades, and also I'll be showing you guys more examples on how to see the market as a trader and how to confront your fears. Okay, okay, I'm already back testing, but first let's check out. Today is Friday, so let's look at the trades for this week, starting from Euro USD. I took a buy on Euro USD, but the markets took me out anyways, and that was because of this break and retest. You see that the market broke this level. If you go to the line chart, you see it's more clear. You see, this is a breaker block, so the market broke it and tested it. So I marked this level from the weekly time frame, so I was expecting the market to probably buy to this level before selling. But that is by the way. And on GBP USD, GBP USD, yeah, I was also looking for buys from here on GBP USD. If you go to 15-minute time frame, you see that we got almost 1:3, I think. Yeah, look at the buy I took. Yeah, this was almost 1:3. The total trade was 1:3.5 RR. So it was almost 1:3. Then market took me out at BE, and this is GBP JPY, sorry. Price haven't gotten to my entry yet, and we still have BTC here. BTC also took me out. I was looking for buys from here on BTC. BTC took me out, and we now have S&P 500. Yeah, I was looking for sales from this supply level here, or you can call it resistance. So I was looking for sales from here. I sold. I would have even entered another entry here, but the timing wasn't so good. It was 8 o'clock p.m., which is bad. I can't take trade by 8 p.m. I trade New York and London, but though it was still London section, but I can't take trade. So let's get started. This EU, Euro USD. Let's go to the daily time frame first. And okay, this particular price action you're saying is September last year, 2025. So 3rd of September 2025. We start from the weekly time frame. You guys know how I make my analysis. For those of you who follows me, first thing I go to the weekly time frame to mark my structure. So this is a break, this is a break, and all this a minor structure here. And then the next thing I look out for is where is price coming from. Now look at this A shape here. You see that price came and tested this place. So I would say that this is where price is coming from. Look at it on the line chart, you see. So this is where price is coming from, this key level. This is weekly. So price reacted from here, and now I guess we are taking a buy from here. So next, let's see the daily time frame, and also we can mark our structure. Yeah, we had a break of structure here. This is a break of structure. Look at this swing. So that means this zone here is a strong zone, right? A strong daily zone. So we can call it our strong daily zone. We all know market structure, the strong and the weak zone. So, or you can call it swing zone or structure. Okay. So now, but watch what is happening here. This is an internal structure, mind you. Now, price came to the extreme here. If you want to mark your supply, okay, you can mark this one. But price is now rejecting from it. And from what I'm seeing here now, there is a big range here. Look at this is a range because price is maintaining the high and also maintaining the low. So this is a range. Now I now mark a key level here. This a key level here. That price is rejecting from. But let's see 4 hour. You see how we are breaking the structure gradually, right? From weekly down to daily and then 4 hours. So let me take this one out. Now on 4 hour, I think this structure here is the last major structure. This one, this is the last major structure on 4 hour. So that means 4 hour is bearish. This place will now be our strong 4 hour swing. Okay, now let's see. Our 4 hour range is between here to here since 4 hour is bearish. So we're expecting the market to do it. Give us a retracement and another break. But mind you, our daily time frame is bullish. So what we are going to do now is we are going to combine all the structure. Okay, but the first thing I want us to look out for is this range. Look at the market is ranging between here to here. So let's focus on this range, and when we break out of the range, we can then focus on structure. So for now, let's look at the range. Let me go down to 1 hour. So Can see a proper structure. Okay, this 1 hour, can see that this is a break of structure here on 1 hour, a break, retracement, another one, and now this what price is doing. So let me take this one out. So now, what are we going to be expecting from this market? Let me go back to 4 hour. What am I going to be expecting from this price action? Because if you can look clearly, you find out that this place is being maintained, and if you look down here, this place is being maintained. Now, so what am I going to be expecting from this price action? Now, look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. This is a key level, and this is liquidity here. This liquidity here. Now, let me delete this. Now, price came down and swept this low, and tapped into this key level, and now give us a break on a 4 hour time frame. Look at this. This is swing low, a swing high, a swing low, and a break of structure here. Can you see we have a break of structure here? That means this place is our QM. This is our QM here. This place that I just drew here. And if you go to 4 hour time, 1 hour time frame, you find out that we also have another break on 1 hour. Look at this structure. This is a low, a high, a low, and now a change of character. That means price could buy from here. Now let's look at the time. Okay, this is 3 a.m. Let me forward this to 456. Okay, now this is exactly 6 o'clock. I can take a buy from here, to be very honest. I can take a buy from here. I just need a key level to enter from. Okay, I can take a buy from here because I have a 4 hour break and also I have a 1 hour break now. So I can easily mark this other block here also. What makes this other block valid is that we have Asian section here between 12 o'clock down to 6 o'clock. It's Asian section. So that is one more thing that will make this trade valid for me. Okay, so I'll take my trade from here. Let me go back to 4 hours to see if I have any level here to take. No level. So I'll just go back to 30 minutes. I'll take my trade from here. And my stop loss will be right here. Why should I bring this down a bit? Yeah, 12 pip stop loss. Now, where will my targets be? My first target will be at this high here. Now, since I know that price is ranging from this high to this low. Now, any targets that I'm going to be having should not pass this place, this 50 pip, 1/4. I'm even done, or this place, because you don't know where price will reverse from. Okay, so but for me, I'll target here. Let's see what price did. Oh fuck, price took us out first and then reversed. So but at least we got the direction correctly. Okay, so let's see, why did price take us out first? What is really this low? This is New York, and this place here, these are all Asia. Okay, this is Asia. So I guess we're trying to enter from Asia. I would have waited for Asia low to be swept and then a break. Then I would now look for a perfect place to enter from. So I guess that was where we made a mistake. So I can enter from here or here. Let me see 1 hour so I can make a refinement. 1 hour. I can refine. Okay, we got one SL here. I can refine this to this place here. Oh, this place is a better zone, so maybe I should still wait for the market. So my stop loss will be here, 10 pip. I'll target 50 pip. Let's see if the markets. Oh, I guess we missed this trade. The market's actually reversed from the breaker. Now, what is the time? This is 7 p.m. in the evening. So let's go back to our daily time frame and look for another opportunity for the next day. So price created a V shape for us here. This a V shape, and on a 4 hour time frame, do we have a break? We don't really have a break here. but we know for sure that price is coming up here before it might probably sell again. So let's check the time, 9 o'clock. Okay, let me forward this to 6 again. Now this is 6 a.m. on Thursday. Now, what will I be doing next? Let's find out. Price didn't sweep this liquidity. This week here is a liquidity, and now on Wednesday created a high that is has already formed a relative equal high here. That means there's liquidity above this place. The lows have been swept, but there's liquidity above it. So there's possibility that we can take a buy from this key level here on a 4-hour time frame. Now note this, what we are looking out for is first a break of structure and what a sweep of liquidity. Now liquidity have been swept here. This place, you see that liquidity, this low was swept, this low was swept, and then on a line chart, we have a break of structure here. That's on a, if we are talking about body break, we already have a break of structure here. So this is just a retracement. Um, I guess the perfect place to still buy from is down here. Probably we'll buy up to this level. Why? Because this low will serve as liquidity and this will now be our entry. So, but if we get a break, I can enter from there, you know. Okay, let me refine this to here and adjust my entry to this place. Now, note, note this. I have a break of structure. Liquidity have been swept, and this is the previous day. Okay, this is the previous day. This will now serve as an inducement for me. Okay, even as liquidity have been swept, I still need an inducement because I know so many people will want to enter from here. So I will be waiting for price to, you know, swept these people out, tap me in, and then buy. Okay, so let's see what price is going to do. Okay, price is at our entry, actually tapped our entry by 1 o'clock p.m. It's a good timing. Um, is dangling around the place. Okay, it's already 9 o'clock p.m. here on Thursday. That's bad, but we are going to probably hold it wait up to the next day. So let's go up to the daily time frame and see what happened. I think I'll need to remove some of this from here. Okay, price actually closed bearish on Thursday. Let's go back. Let's see this 11 p.m. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is 5 a.m. in the morning. Now, you see that our trade is already going. The trade we took yesterday by 1 o'clock. Now, it's Friday. Friday is usually the close of the week, and most of the time, Thursday, Friday just balance whatsoever happened in the week. Look, guys, it's like this. Let me show you guys something. This is on Monday. Most of the time, if price is going to be bearish, Monday will sometime create a liquidity. Tuesday will now create the high of the week and then push lower like this. Wednesday sometime will also create more low swings, and Thursday we balance it like this. Okay, then Friday will give us a close here. This is just how it is. Same thing if the week is going to be bullish. Most of the time, when you wake up in the morning, you see that price just made a quick spike up like this, and then Tuesday we balance it, and Tuesday, Wednesday we spike. So Thursday we'll do something like this, and Friday we'll balance and close. So that is just how it is. Okay, most of the time the main balancing starts from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Just have that at the back of your mind. Now, price is already going. If you go to your line charts, we are currently on a 4-hour time frame. We have a QM here. So this place is a daily level. Price tapped into a daily level, give us a 4-hour break, That's a good sign for a buy. Now let's see 1 hour so we can refine our entry. Um, I think I'll take this one. But the only problem I have here is that there is no inducement for me here. So maybe I can take my entry down to this place so that this rejection can be my inducement. I just want to see liquidity taken out. Like this week, this Thursday week, that tapped into our entry, you know, and then and it also swept the previous one. So I'll be taking a entry from this place. Stop loss 12 feet below here, and target higher price. Okay, 7:30. Price is just going. I told you that most of the time Friday just balance whatsoever that happened during the week. So this Friday by 6 o'clock p.m. Price didn't come back, but we smashed our TP here. So we had one loss already, and now we smashed TP 1 ratio 6.8. So minus one, we still have five. That means if we took the first trade with $100, that is minus $100, right? That's the first trade we lost. Oh, yeah, that's minus $100, and then this is 1 ratio 6. That should be what? Um, plus $600. So if you minus 100, we still have plus what? $500. So that's it. So your risk to reward ratio also matters sometimes. We have this our available money. Let's keep going down. Now remember that we are in a range. Okay, we are currently in a range. This high and this low. So there's possibility that we can take a sell from here, right? Because of the market is ranging. Let's see if there's truly possibility. Let's go to the daily time frame because the week is over already. I see where price is rejecting from. Price is rejecting from here, and the price didn't reach here. I'm not seeing anything. Let's go to the weekly time frame. At the beginning of every week and the ending of every week, you should make sure you go to the weekly time frame. So this last bullish candle is our previous week candle, and it closed bullish. So we're going to be expecting buys, more buys next week, or sell. This V shape here is my key level from the weekly. Let's see the daily time frame. There's nothing really here, but we can also do this. Okay, I think I saw something. Let's go to 4 hours and see what do we have here on 4 hour time frame. We have a break of structure here. This is a break of structure. So it means that there is a range here. Between here to this place. So there's possibility that price will come down to this place and then give us another break of structure. Okay, so from next week we'll be expecting price to make a retracement. And don't forget, we can take this sell if price is really going to sell. Why? Because this is a resistance and this is a support down here. So let's wait and see what price is going to do. Price has already given me a key level here. For those of you who haven't watched my video on MSNR, you can go and watch my video. Okay, so this 6 o'clock p.m. Friday, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is currently 5 a.m. in the morning. Let me make it 6 on Monday, which is 8th of September 2025. So now this Asia range here is can serve as liquidity for this place to sell. You see, there's nothing I'm doing here that is different from what you know. I go to 4 hour time frame and I mark this key level here, right? Now, if you go to 1 hour time frame to mark your other block, just watch closely for where I mark the key level. You see that there's a candle there. So what's the difference? So I'm an SMC trader, okay? but I prefer to make my charts more simplified using MSNR. Okay, I don't like my charts to have so many instruments on it. So that's by the way. I can. Okay, this is okay. Let me see. 30 minutes. If I can still refine this. No. Yeah, I'll take myself from here. My stop loss can be at this point 12. Let's leave it at 14 pip. But maybe I can still use this line above here, and my stop loss is okay here. Just 10 pip. I'll not be targeting far. I'll target this place. Now, this is my liquidity here. This high here. Oh, okay. This will be my liquidity, and this Asia here will also be my liquidity. I hope you see now. So, okay, let's look at the timing. It's exactly 9 o'clock a.m. So you see that the timing is good, right? All these are happening in London Open. So you see that the timing is very good. So I want to see price give me a break here. So I can look for another entry. Let's, oh, we got swept out. Price gave us 1:2 actually, and then took us out. Okay, let's just say this BE because I go break even from 1:1. Now, it seems that there's a sign that this resistance up here or supply is going to fail this time around. Remember that we are in a ranging market. This a range here, this place. Price is maintaining the high and also doing what? Maintaining the low. So now there's possibility that price is going to break out of here and continue going up. Okay, so let me go back to my 1 hour time frame and see what time is it now. Okay, 3 o'clock p.m. It's not bad. It's almost London close. Let me see 4 hours. Okay, so we have a break here. I think let me remove this. So I think the next thing we should do now is this. Now let's wait closely and just see what price is going to do. Sorry, I had to check up on something. 7 p.m. and this 9 o'clock p.m. on Monday. So we can now go to the daily time frame. This candle is Monday. Monday close bullish. That's a good one, and also close above our key level. So now there's possibility that Tuesday will do something like this. So I told you guys that if price is going to be bullish, then Monday, Tuesday we do what? Create the low, and then sometime Monday creates the low, and Tuesday creates the main move, just like this. Where is it? Yeah, look at what happened here. Monday opened, and did what? Are you seeing? So there's possibility that Tuesday will do something like this. Wednesday can maybe arrange. Thursday will do something like this. Sweep liquidity above here, and there will be liquidity here. Friday will come for this one. So let me go to 4 hours. I look for a key level. This is the best key level I found. Okay, 4 a.m. 5 6. So let's see 4 hours. If there's any nice place here where I can buy from. Okay, we have this break here, and this place will not be a breaker block for us. But let's see 1 hour. Um, That place is not really that fit. I'll use confirmation. I'll need to see price. Give me a break here, maybe on 15 minutes. Then I can buy from here. I'm not really sure about the trade. So um, okay, this 11 a.m. I'm not yet seeing anything reasonable, but let's see where price is making this rejection from. Let's see where price is making the rejection from. Oh, okay. I guess this rejection is coming from here. Price swept this high as liquidity, then tapped into this place. Now, where do you think price will be going to? Like, where do you think price will likely be going to? I'm looking at this zone here, even below it. Okay. You know, if I took this sell, it would have been a beautiful one. Think about it. If I took this sell, it would have been a beautiful one. Let me mark it. Look at what we have here. A breakout structure and a change of character, making this place your breaker block. And then on a 30-minute time frame, you can choose to refine your breaker block. Okay, so maybe here, and look here, we have a clean order block here. You can take this one. We have a clean order block here. So you see the short sell that I would have taken. Doesn't have much RR, but it's still okay to me since it's just a continuation of the trade I already started. So let's see what's happening in the market. Okay, price is just doing what it wants. 9 o'clock p.m. Let's go to the daily time frame. So this is currently Tuesday. Price closed here, and I'm guessing that the buy might continue from here, but this is just a one leg move. This place is just a one leg move, so it will be a very bad idea. So let's just go back to 1 hour. Okay, so let's look for a way to take a buy from here. You see that the low have been swept. This was the low that I was saying that it's a one leg move. If you go to 4 hour time frame, you see the low. You see the low. So it's a one leg move, and now we're looking for buys from this zone here. So price haven't tapped into our POI yet, but it gave us a body break. Now why is price rejecting? This is another block, and this low here serves as an inducement. I told you guys that what we want to see is a liquidity sweep, a break of structure, and an available inducement for the markets. Okay, so as we have this break here, I hope we'll be able to take a sell from here. So this 5, 6, 7. Um, we have this place here, but I'm not really gonna close this by. Oh, price give us a sweep here. Let me go to 30 minutes and let's look for a break. You know, the reason why I chose this particular place is sometime last year I got so confused from this zone here. I got so fucking confused because the chart was like it's playing with me. So I got so confused. I think I now have the confirmation I'm looking for. A break. Okay, and now we have a sweep here. So that's a good calling for me to take this sell. So I can sell from here and target this liquidity here at 57 pip. which is not bad. So let's see what happened. Oh, my stop loss was a bit tight and price swept my stop loss first. Wow. Now price swept my stop loss first before going. So you can see how trickish the market is. I'll just know that first thing you need to look for is a break. You look for a break of structure, and when you are not clear with the particular position, you use confirmation to enter. So you see that I was waiting for this place to be confirmed. I got a sweep and then a break, and I took my trade immediately from there. So let's say for instance, if I wanted to make this make my stop loss small, I wanted to enter from the QM. You know that this trade wouldn't have stopped me out, but I was afraid that let's say I wanted to enter from this QM here, then my entry would have been below this place, or I was choosing to enter from this other block here. Then you know that my entry would have been down here, right? And my stop loss would be here below this place. This is where you put your stop loss below this the liquidity that was swept. So you see that this trade wouldn't have taken me out. I hope you guys are understanding something here. So sometimes hesitation is also a problem. So I was also hesitating here, and that was an error. Sometimes when you hit SL or your SL got swept out, you should know that there is actually something that happened, something you're not getting right, or something that happened. Okay, it's 2:30 p.m. Let's see 4 hours if there's more opportunity. No, I was expecting this high to be broken on the 4 hour time frame, so I can go BA. Now price have taken us out in break even at our entry, 8 o'clock p.m. already, so we are closed for the day. This week will definitely be a bad week, but just know that um, when you are getting the direction correctly, at least even if price take your stop loss, at least you know that okay, you know what you're doing is right, something like that. That one alone gives you confidence as a trader. Okay, so I have this QM here, and then I can refine this to this place. Of course, I already have something here, so this is another good place to sell from if I would want to sell, because it's obvious that the price is bearish already. Let me show you guys why I said that. Price is coming from here. I can consider this as a break, right? Now, if this is a break, that means my range is between here to here, right? I'm expecting price to come down to at least 0.5 before it will be going up. So we're already trading a counter trend, and if you look closely, this is 4 hour. We have a break here. Look at this is a change of character, a higher high, higher high, and what, a lower low. So I can consider this bearish. I hope you don't see. So higher time frame is good. You go to higher time frame, you see more trading sites, you take them. So let's see what's the time. It's 11 a.m. on Thursday. The next day, and the market is still messing with us. Look at this a break. All this place got swept. But let's see what 4 hour is saying. Is it possible for us to take a key level this long week? I can take 50% of this week, and then it's not really a good entry anyways. There's no inducement here, so this will be my main entry. Up here is my main entry. If price comes up to this place, I'll look for confirmation to sell. If there's no confirmation, I'll wait for this place. So after all, you mustn't trade every day, so why the rush, AB? Okay, I hope you see the way price rejected immediately it touched our entry, give us 1:2 immediately. Why? Because this is a precise price. Know where the money is, know where institutional trader are going to enter from. Look, if this is a key level here, let me demonstrate something. Okay, yeah, I think I can use this upward. So if this is a key level and price came to this place like this, touch this place and give you a break on a 4 hour time frame. Your first decisional POI is this. Let me mark it. This is a break. This. Your first decisional POI is this place. Now, after this place, if eventually price didn't respect here, your next target is where this QM here, and your last target is the apex. This is the apex here. So you have 3 entries here. Most of the time, I just take my trade from the QM because price usually reverse from the QM more often. I hope we understand. So let's see what market will do. Okay, price is coming back to our entry 9 o'clock p.m. again. Let's see, this price came to my entry by 3 o'clock p.m. Almost normal, but it's not still bad. Let's go to the daily time frame. Thursday is over. We're almost at Friday. That means 2 week is over. So price closed bullish, but there is some kind of rejection in it. I hope we get a better trade. Let's see what hopefully by Friday, which is the next day, we're going to catch a good trade. Okay, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6. Let's see 4 hour. Do we have a perfect zone to sell from here? Do we? I think it's only this place. Now, it's very easy since you're an SMC trader. You know that this is a breakup structure here, or you can just say this a change of character, showing that price is bearish. Now, price now made a retracement. Now let's see 1 hour. I think 1 hour will make it more clear. Yeah, a swing high, a swing low, another swing high, and now we have this break here. So now price have made a retracement to at least 0.5%. We can take a sell for any of this place. Now to make it more easier, we just need to see a break on 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Now that break will now confirm our entry. Okay, so we have a break here. This is a break of 30 minutes. So now where will I be planning to enter from? As an SMC trader, it's more better you just enter from this. You enter from the breaker block. But for MSNR trader, you go to your higher time frame like 4, 2, or 1 hour to look for a key level. Okay, I have this breaker block here. This an open close level, so I'll be entering from this open close level. Now, mind you, on Thursday we took a sell also, so this sell from Friday is gonna be like a re-entry. My stop loss will be here. Yeah, 11 feet. It's fine. And my target will be where? I think this place is cool for target. So price took me out on this re-entry. I still have one trade running. So this one that's already run 1 with 5. So that's enough for me. This one took me out. Why did you take me out? We had Asia here. So I guess Asia was set. Structure was broken. Price came back to this place. There's a big imbalance here. Price came back. So I'm not going to be taking any trades again. It's 3 p.m. already. So that is just it. You see that this place before price made this retracement, this 1:5. Are you guys seeing? So by then you're out of the market already, and or you take partial profits, you allow the rest to run. Even if the remaining one comes back to your BE, you didn't have anything to lose. You have a little profit secure. So that is just it. I think I'm going to be stopping here for now. And if you have any question, you can copy it in the comment section or in the group chat so that I can answer them and also make more video on them. But just know this thing. Know that the first thing to look for is structure, and then you look for key level. Where is price coming from? KL, key level. Okay, and where do you think price may likely be going to? You look for your structure for our daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and gradually like that. And when price eventually reacts to a zone, you just want to see a break and you enter from where? The QM, the breaker, or the apex. So that's just it. There is nothing I trade that is more than this. Mostly, you just look at your range and that's just it. So I love you guys. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye.